Okay, here we are with the big storm of 2010. What's the date, Sadie girl? The date is February 6th, 2010. And now we're going to open the door to see how much snow we got. Wow, that's a lot of snow. Yep. Snow got everywhere. And it's still coming down. Got my measuring stick here. 24, almost 24. Ooh, 2 feet. Everything's buried. Okay, we're going to go around to the garage now. Alright, we're in the garage now. Right, Sadie girl? For the grand opening. Oh boy. Yeah, that's a lot of snow. How you gonna get out there, Sadie girl? Oh! Where's your ball? Oh my goodness. Where's your ball, Sadie? Where is it? Go find it. Go find it, Sadie. Did you find it? Wow. Alright, got some clearing there. So, we'll have to find Sadie's ball, which I think is right about there. So, yeah. Alright, I gotta get my boots on. Sadie, you ready? What? You wanna go outside? You wanna go find your ball? Do you wanna find it? Speak. What? You wanna go find the ball? Speak. Good girl. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go here. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's freezing. It's about 22 degrees right now. Camper's gone. Snow is well over. Let's see. It's too deep to walk in. Come on, Sadie girl. Come on. Come here. Oh. Good girl. Alright, well, not much to show here yet. We'll take care more of it later. Ugh. Hey Bryce, how you doing?
Good.
Alright, ready, Sadie girl? Ready? Come on, girl. Come on. That's a good girl. Woo! What a wild ride that was. Did you like that, Sadie girl? Pretty deep out there, B?
It's like 2 feet.
Yeah, I'd say 2 feet. Oh, Sadie girl once more.
Dad, can you turn off that camera for a second? Help me.
She just loves to play. She's giving up.
What happened? Where'd all this snow here?
From the wind.
Oh, because blowing this way.
Yeah, around the corner of the house.
Whoop, see, goes.
Good girl, Sadie girl.
Dude, it's up to my knees.
I know.
I try to get up, but it's so deep.
It's like,
Belly full.
What are you doing, Bryce? You sleeping?
Sadie's in her own, like, cave.
right, just like fall back. Don't even like,
See? Fall back.
yeah, just like, no, don't do that. Just fall back.
What?
Don't bend your knees. Just like,
You do it, Austin.
Put on your snow pants.
I will.
The deeper snow is snowball stuff. What?
Can't see any of the bushes.